Challenge 5. Managing your mental well-being. Day 5. The power of repetition. Our brain filters and stores information based on what it perceives as important. And how does it decide what's important? Two main ways: strong sensory input and repetition. This is why repetition is the most critical element in habit formation. When we repeat something, our attention and understanding actually increase, despite the common feeling of boredom. Why? Because the brain stops relying on short-term memory and starts building deeper, long-lasting connections through repeated practice. Simply making a resolution isn't enough. Forming a good habit requires consistent and intentional repetition. Think of how babies learn to walk. They don't succeed on the first try. They fall, get up, and try again, learning through persistence and failure. How can you build strong habits? 1. Improve the quality of your repetition. Don't just go through the motions. Be mindful and focused in your repetitions. For example, if you commit to studying for 30 minutes daily, it's not just about the time. It's about concentration and effort during that time. 2. Don't fear failure. Learn from it. Just like babies learning to walk, failure is part of growth. Mistakes in studying, exercising, or other routines are learning moments, not reasons to quit. 3. Engage your subconscious with emotion. To truly internalize a habit, pair repetition with positive emotion. Instead of just saying, "I need to study," try thinking, "I'm going to feel proud after studying today." Emotionally meaningful repetition leads to lasting change. Passive learning, like watching a lecture, is not enough. Action and experience through repetition are what truly lead to transformation and growth. And most importantly, start small. Habits grow from manageable actions done consistently. Examples of small daily habits. 1. Read for 10 minutes a day. 2. Drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. 3. Study for 30 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. 4. Exercise for 10 minutes a day. 5. Go to bed before midnight. Your turn. Build your own habit list. Now, create a list of 5 small actions you will repeat every day to build lasting habits. Keep it simple. Stay consistent. Let repetition be your teacher. Thank you for listening.